Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the line fuse in your microwave oven, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 screws securing the top grille. Pull the grille down from the top to detach. Next, unthread the screw securing the control board cover to the frame. Lift the cover up to detach. Disconnect the thermistor wire connector to move the cover out of the way. We recommend covering the top of the blower housing to prevent the fuse from falling into it. Now use a flathead screwdriver to pry the old fuse out of the holder. Install the new line fuse by aligning it with the holder and snapping it into place. Reconnect the thermistor wire connector to the control board. Then insert the control board cover tabs into the slots in the frame. Thread the screw to secure. Before you reinstall the top grille, make sure the 2 support clips are in place. Now align the grille tabs with the slots in the frame and snap the grille into position. Rethread the 3 screws. Having a magnetized screwdriver will make it easier to rethread the screw on the right. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the microwave oven should be ready for use.